Hello guys, welcome to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we are going to learn about how to design this sports suite in Onshape CAD software. Okay, so let's start the tutorial and understand and observe the every step in detail. And we are going to make this design in a configuration model. So it might be useful for us to make different sizes of wheels as per our needs. Okay, so let's start the design. So on the front plane, start a sketch, then add a rectangle. Or make sure it should be this size. Okay, guys. So I'm just giving 1, and height should be 2.5. Yeah, that much is enough. Now we need to draw the actual sketch. Okay, first we'll select the whole sketch and turn into construction sketch. Now let's add the sketch now. It should be wheel size. Okay, so let's start from here. Yeah, keep like this. Now give dimensions as per required dimensions. I'm just following the basic dimensions. Okay. Now what more we need? We need it inside this curve, right? So for that, let's select the rectangle and like this, and give some dimension as wish. Okay, I'm just giving 0.25. Here it should be 5. Okay, now we need to draw the inside one. For that, we need to add a curve. So for that, let's select the 3-point curve. And make sure it coincides with this one. Okay, I'll keep it like that. Now make sure the center should horizontally with this center, because it should be off of the curve, right? Then only we can do revolve operation. Now to click on horizontal. Now you got to click on 2 dimension. This arc, it is given 2. Let's give 1 by. Or let's say 3. Okay, that much is enough. Now let's add the other required sketch like this. Okay, now offset this curve, change downward to 0.2. Make sure this and this one should coincident, just like this, or else it is 0.4, right? SQ 0.4 as well. Now cut the unwanted curves. It won't name this. Okay, Now we need this one. Yes. Now we got the shape. Now let's give this height from the center. Let's keep like this. Now keep okay. Now we got the shape. Now what we need to do? We need to just revolve operation. For that, CTRL tool, select the sketch, on axis, and give this the axis. And right there, we got the wheel shape. If you are not liking this with this wheel design, you can even change it. Let's do one edit. Let's choose it. Okay. Now we got the shape. Now we need to draw this in our pattern. So for that, click on this face, side plane, click on the use tool for simply drawing the outside edges within a star shape like this. Okay. First of all, let's draw a structural line in the middle, just like this. And we need an offset circle. One that measures enough. Now take the conic arc and draw the arc at the exact center. You can clearly see that it is not in the same distance, right? So for that, give the dimension. It's 5. And let keep it as our size. Go. Yeah, now we got the cut. But we still didn't complete because it still can move like this. To issue that, give dimension to it as well. Or else, give dimension from the center to the center. Right? 5. Or else, 0.2. As much as you want, okay? Let's do 0.5 here. Okay, let's do the circle pattern. We curve it automatically at the center and give count to 5. Press enter. Now WCP. Now we got the shape. Now let's add center hole like this. Okay. If you want small one, just offset it. Give dimension as per you want. 0.08. Okay. Now I think that the sketch is not constrained. To make it constrained, just even you don't need to worry about the constraint. Just keep it like this. Click OK. Now click on these gaps, then the remove gaps, okay, and click on extrude tool and do the remove operation. Sorry, we need to select solid, okay. and now click OK. Now we got a shape, and if you still think it is too much, you can still reduce the thing using the modifying tools later as per you want. Okay. Now we forgot to add the tire. So for that, just come into the front plane again. Go to sketch 1. The wheel should be like this. And a rectangle. And give dimension how much you want. And just bring oil. Okay. And then I want to add some patterns to it. Okay. Just give dimension to it. Okay. It should be 1 draw under rectangle instead of doing the tall. Using the percussion tool, it will be easy. Okay. I'm just going to try a simple middle line to make the miracle straight. Right. Just like I've give dimension to it, so other side of it to make effect. Now press OK. Now visibility H1 and select this and select the revolve tool again. Give the axis like this and make sure it should be the new part. Okay. And click OK. But still height is not satisfied for me. I'm just going to go 0.25. Okay, now I'm going to use the fillet tool. It should be too much. I'm just going to use 0.1. To get another to it, it's 0.05. Ready? And click OK. And do the fillet like this where you want to apply. Just keep applying the fillets. Okay. Now for just 1 curves. I'll select the fillet tool, select the one edge, and right click from there. You can see the select option. That option select the equal tangent or various edges. So all will get selected and do the same at here. Okay. Now let's give how much you want. Okay. Now press OK. Just to apply the filter to the same. Right here, select being called pieces. Right here, select again. Okay, you still need to fillet this edges, right? So click on it, add edge, click and select to ignore all gestures. Now give more dimension for this. Okay, and click OK. Now hide the sketch one. Now we finally completed the how to design a wheel in Onshape that become a sports wheel. If you want patterns like this, you can still add, or if you still want to add some color, that is also we can add. Let's apply it. But now I want to make this model into configuration model. Just like I want to make the surface of this wheel to larger and also bigger. But I don't want to recreate and edit the sketches again and again. So for that, we can use the configuration models. That nothing but we can do configuration panel. Okay. So let me refresh it. Okay. Now we are here. Now click on the configuration panel and we have configure path studio. Inside it, we have list checkbox configuration variable. List means, guys, it is makes the whole model into like a for every value in the list, we get one equivalent design. Okay, so let me click on the list, and here we got the list. So what are the basic needs of this wheel for us is the height and also the width, right? So let's give the name as wheel for it. Wheel height. Okay, so click on it, and here you can plus a configure features. Click on it. So it asks you to select. So select the sketch, and it's in the sketch you want to set the height. So what is the height for units? This is on the front plane, and this is the actual height you want, right? So click on it and click on that, and click on the wheel again, and you want to add another feature to it. It is called height. That is called width. So click on sketch and click on this one. Okay. Now click on it. Now let's see how the wheel changes according to us. Okay. So the default values are 1 inch and 1 on right, and these are the default one. Let's copy this, duplicate the row, instead of wheel head, let's wheel 1. Let's name it as wheel 2. Okay. Now I want to change this here. So I want to give 1.5 and keep this at 1.8. So here, this is the values I have changed here. Okay. So these are three things I'm doing. This is Q as 1.5 and this is as 1.8. Okay. Now here you can see at the top of the features panel, we have configuration table as enabled. Instead of default, click on wheel 1. You got the wheel shape. The normal suggest only we had selected. Now select the wheel 2. So when I select the wheel 2, here you can see the changes are taken place here. Where the whole model got changed. But it's not good looking now because we didn't add the all configuration values to it. But you can add. So how we can add, just like how we add the features like length, distance like this, you can add a inch distance as well. Okay. So let's add another one for this the feature. Okay. Click on wheel 1, add configuration, click on sketch. We need to increase this one, right? And here's this. And this is the distance side. Let's give. Okay. This is the default one. This is the default one. Let's give here 2.5. I think we need to change this one, not this side. If you want to delete columns, you can also do that. Right click on and delete it. Okay. So if you can't wheel panel, click on configuration, select the sketch. Yeah, we need to do this. And take down. So when the one's there, then you do 0.5. Here you can, here the value is exceeded. So that is the difference. Can't able to see the changes, but we can see the changes, but we can't able to see the edit graph, right? So for the better value, we need to give the exact better good values for this model. And this is how the configuration models work. And we have another one. Let's get to default value. Okay. Let's hide this. And the top button you can see configuration variable. So here you can get the variable for now. Let's select height. How much height we had used and text. The height is 1.4. Let's get 1.4. And then it should be 1.4. And max should be 1.6. Okay. Now let's add another variable. Should be length. Okay. What is the default value of length? It is 1, right? And minimum value should also be 1. And maximum value should be 8. Okay. So now what we need to change is, in this case, we need to give the values to his. So what when the 1.4 is there, now let's keep high. Okay, percent. Now where we use the 1, like to say, let's unfold it and give these 2. Yeah, press OK. Now see, before we change the old mode of the design, but here using the configuration variables, we can do individual, we can change the individual values as like, so you can see, this is the default value of 1.4, right? And I can't give the less value of it, but I give more than, that is 1.61 I had given. And for this length, I had given 2. Right? See, up to 2 and 3. If I get 1, it will work. But if I get 0.1, it will show the error like this. So like this, you can manipulate the model using configurations. That will be easy and also very useful for the future designs if you want to change any modification. So this is the best practice guide if you want to make any changes with the existing model you want to have. Okay. That is let's close this panel. That is how to work with the configuration tables and configuration panel and editor models using configuration details. Okay. And also you can apply head tape branches as well. Change this to red and change this part to someone black. The whole black we can't see. Okay. Or else you can change the appearance of the faces as well. If you want to give white to each, instant like this. Okay guys, this is how to work. This is for this in this video. If you like this content, please do like, share, subscribe our channel guys. If you still didn't get what I'm going to explain in this video, please let me down in the comment box and we'll solve your queries. Okay.